Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the composite armor in Icarus. First of all, go to the tech tree and make sure you got the electric textiles bench unlocked. After that, here you'll see the composite armor. Go ahead and unlock it. Also, to make the electric textiles bench, you're gonna need to have the electricity tool and fabricator unlocked and crafted. Also, you're gonna need some kind of a generator or electricity grid. And now we can go ahead to the electric textiles bench. And here you'll see the composite armor, on which you'll need some aluminium ingots, which you can get from smelting aluminium ore in the furnace, in the concrete furnace or higher. And the composites can be made in the material processor from the composite paste, which you can make from iron ore, silica ore, organic resin, and gold ore or platinum ore, and then smelting it inside a electric furnace to get the composites. Nextly, you're gonna need steel screws, which can be made from one steel ingot in the machining bench or higher. As you can see here, one steel ingot to make 100 of them, and carbon fiber, which can be made in the material processor. Here you can make the carbon paste from silica ore, aluminium ingots, organic resin, and epoxy, and then smelting it in the electric furnace to get carbon fiber. So, if you have all of the materials, you can go ahead and craft it. Once you've crafted the whole armor, get it into your inventory, remove the old one, and put it on. To put it on quickly, just hold down the control button and left click on the items. Also, you can get it down from you the same way. And as you can see, if you have the complete armor set, you're gonna get some faster stamina regeneration and health regeneration. Also, the composite head armor is really balanced in the cold resistance and heat resistance, and also you have some physical resistance. So, if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.